Finally today, since it's been an Apple-heavy day and we were just talking about cars, I thought I'd mention that Apple has designed bespoke interfaces of Apple CarPlay just for Aston Martin and Porsche vehicles. What I'm saying is the digital displays inside Aston Martins and Porsches will be unique to them. The rest of us will have to get by with the regular old CarPlay. Quoting Car and Driver. This next-generation CarPlay builds upon previous versions by integrating into all of the displays of a given vehicle and not just the central infotainment system. Though the familiar CarPlay experience remains, multiple template options and special details ensure that the interface reflects the ethos of a given brand. For instance, the preview of Porsche's CarPlay interface shows that it features a trio of circular gauges in the cluster and a background wallpaper that mimics the brand's distinct houndstooth, or pepita in Porsche speak, seat pattern. Aston Martin, on the other hand, goes a slightly different route. Its cluster includes a central information screen bookended by a circular speedometer and tachometer, the latter of which integrates hand-built in Great Britain wraparound text. Although Apple's next-generation CarPlay still requires an iPhone to share app-related information, the system relies on its host vehicle to provide driving-specific data. Apple's keen to note that connected iPhones neither store nor track this vehicle's sourced information. This connection to the vehicle also means this new generation of CarPlay can cohesively display information from the vehicle's native infotainment system, think tire pressure information and the like as well, end quote. No word on when this is rolling out, but Car and Driver hints at maybe next year for Aston Martin vehicles like the 2024 DB12 Coupe and DB12 Convertible.